promised, although me, I use Collab to write my own code, and I use command line. You see, this command line, not that I use my screen. I use command line to write my own code. Let me share my screen so that you'll be able to see it. There screen. So you'll be able to see it. So for me, I use Collab. I use Collab to write my own code. Collab comes with all the engines you need, the RAM and the CPU and everything, but it's hosted in Google. So you just need internet to be connecting. That is the thing about Collab. And in Google Collab, you only use your web browser. But for me, recently I've been trying to code on command line. This is it. I'm writing my Python code here on command line. Do you get? So now I want to show you how to do this VS Code for those people that have system that can, because Anaconda used to consume a lot of RAM, a lot. And when you use VS Code, it's going to help you a lot. So now look at it now. Let me write a code on it so that you see what I mean. This is my VS Code. When you click on print hello world. Do you understand? So the first thing you need to do when you want to do this is you are going to download Python. You're going to download Python first on this website. Do you understand? You're going to download Python first on this website, python.org. Just come to downloads, and then if you are using MacBook, click MacBook. If you are using this thing and Windows, click Windows, download it. So if you download it, you're going to have something that looks like this, and then you install. And you have something that looks like you install. So if you are installing, please, there are some objects that you need to tick. So when you are done installing, that's when you can now use command line. You can now be able to use command line to run some Python code. So you can have a Python file and then just load it here. But I don't want to confuse you with those technicalities. So what you need to do next is when you are done, you now download VS Code, or you probably have it in your laptop. VS Code, they have a tool called VS Code. Look at it. Let me show you again. It's called VS Code. VS Code is what most of these programmers use. It's called VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So you download this Visual Studio Code. You can use it to run anything. It's a text editor. You can use it to run any type of code, JavaScript, anything. So that's what they use it to. It's like one of the popular ones. You just click download. I have it already in my system, Windows. So when you download it, you now come here into your system. You click this extension. So when you click this extension, as you see Jupyter, you click this Jupyter, it will now tell you to install. You see install here around this side, you install. So when you are done installing, you now have it on your system here. So what you do is you come to this search and just write, you want to create a new file, like a Jupyter Notebook, just write create. Just write, you come to this place and write Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, it's not coming up. So no, sorry, that's not how you do it. You come to file, you see where they have new file. So when you click new file, you are going to see Jupyter Notebook here. So when you click it, you have a new notebook too. So when you do that, you have to connect the kernel. You can remember when the instructor was talking about kernel, and this is it. So when you come to this side, let me make it big so that you see it. You come to this right hand side, you're going to see select kernel there. So when you click it, it will now tell you to install another extension, which is the Python extension. So when you install the Python extension there, when you are done installing it, so then you come to your notebook, you now have the Python code running there. You can now do everything, both visualization and everything that I used to do there. So let me print hello world so that you see hello world. Hello world, so that you see, and then click this run. See it, hello world out there. So this is how you do VS Code. So to go over it again, let me stop sharing my screen now. To go over it again, first you need to download Python. So that Python will be in your system. So if Python is in your system, you are done, you install it. If you don't know how to install it, you can, just Google like how to install Python. So when you install Python, the next thing you need to install is Visual Studio Code. Those are Visual Studio Code. So when you install this one, it's not difficult. Once you just download, look at it, have it here already. See it. When you download, just click it to install, and this is how it looks. Oh, I think okay, I've not stopped sharing. This is how it looks. So when you are done installing that, what you just need to do is you come to this place now, click File, and click Jupyter Notebook. You click File, and then you click New File, and then you click, you see they have Jupyter Notebook there. So once you click it, it will now tell you that you don't have Jupyter Notebook extension. So the team will show you how to do it. But if you don't want to stress yourself, just come to this left hand side. See this place like extension. When you come there, just search for Jupyter Notebook, and then you click it. When you click it, it will install. So once you install it, automatically it will use its own arm to select this kernel, to tell you to select a kernel. So now when you look at this place very well, you see that this is the Python that is installed in my system. So it's now using that one that is in my system. So now this one you don't need, after downloading it, you don't need internet again. Everything will now be working perfectly. I hope this video helped somebody in this group. So thank you. Let me join this meeting back. I just have to do this thing.